Storm Stories premieres Sunday, February 22nd at 8. All new season on the Weather Channel. And now you're local on the 8s.
Currently, the temperature is 42 degrees under partly cloudy skies. A high wind watch is in effect for our area. Here's our local Doppler radar. Today, cloudy, near record high temperatures, high 61, winds south-southwest at 10 to 20 miles per hour. For tonight, mainly cloudy, low 48, winds south at 10 to 20 miles per hour. On Wednesday, showers early, becoming a steady rain later in the day, high 50, chance of rain 80%, rainfall may reach 1 inch. Our 7-day outlook.